Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. So we got a Jeep in here and the customer is having us go ahead and install a Demco, I think it's an Air Force One or maybe it's a Duo. Might be, no, it's an Air Force One. Anyways, we're installing Air Force One. This is actually a nice Jeep. It's actually the V8 version. And so the customer has already had previously a blue wax system, and prior to us, they had went with the pumpkin to set down in the floorboard of the unit. So now we're installing, they got tired of doing that. So now we're installing a permanent system inside the unit. So you can see Zach's starting to run his air lines and whatnot. And then he's got all his pieces out here that he's working on to get it going. And this is going to be the pod that's going to go inside the actual motorhome itself. So just wanted to let you know, so if you've previously purchased a pumpkin unit, when I say pumpkin unit, that's the ones that typically get set into the floorboard and the seats get wedged up and then it actuates off the arms. You're having to take that in and out each time you want to tow it. Sometimes those are, dependable. Sometimes they're not. So in case that's something that you currently have and you're looking to get a permanent system installed, whenever you do install any package into your towable unit, whether it be a braking system, tow bars, base plate, wiring package, a thing to consider is that that's going to re-increase the value of the current vehicle you have. So it adds to it, So another little side tip, make sure that if you are adding a system like that or any upgrades to the vehicle, that you go ahead and report that to your insurance company, so that in the event that the vehicle got stolen or got in an accident or was parked somewhere and somebody hit it, that you could turn around and be able to collect those funds as well if that occurred. But anyway, stay tuned for more. If you have any questions, give us a shout out and we will get back to you. But we just wanted to just show you that this is somebody that's in here they already had a system installed and they are, upgrading it from the pumpkin to the installed version of the braking system. All right, thanks again for watching. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist.